Alright, well, I'm here in the Bosque with my son Loris and my daughter Jana, and we're trying to see if we can walk to the river off the trail. Because the trail just loops around and we want to go due east. So, I don't know what we're getting ourselves into. We're almost to the other side of the trail. No, we're not by the river. We're just on the other side of where the trail comes around. We made it to the other side. Okay, so now we're going off the little trail onto a smaller. We're gonna go down this little footpath to the river. I have another daughter who's 10, but she was wanting to stay at the after-school program. Loris, looks like you dropped the M&M.
Oh.
You didn't eat them all?
No.
You don't want them?
No.
You don't want to eat them? Okay, well put that M&M back in the bag or it's gonna melt in your pants. If you don't want them, give them back to me. Because I'll eat them. I thought you wanted them. It's okay. This is all natural out here. Okay, look, there's mud. So walk on the side. Don't walk in the middle.
Don't walk in the middle. There's mud.
Now this is the part that is kind of creepy because it's like you're in a little maze or something. Okay, and there's Sandia. Oh, I wish it wasn't so developed. I wish it was like it was in the 80s. You could come down here on a motorcycle. Yeah. It would be fun to ride down here. And there's times when the river's low enough you could probably ride across it in some parts. Or at least go into it a little. But, yep. Here it is. And you can see the snow-capped mountains of Santa Fe up there. Probably can't see it on the video. This is the big river, the Rio Grande. And there are fish in this. Yeah, you can skip that.
You do it, I don't know how.
Okay, ready? Stand back. There, see? That was like 7 or 8.
You try, Donna. Try.
No. Didn't you see how I threw it? Like this. And then you have to throw it while keeping the rock flat and making it spin. You can't just toss it. Find a flat one. Okay, look. Look how I'm holding it. And then I'm going to throw it like this. I'm going to spin it backwards. So it's going to spin like this. It's going to come off this tip of my finger, spinning. And I'm going to throw it. I'm not going to throw it like this. I'm going to throw it with my side arm to make it spin. Watch. Okay, that wasn't a very flat rock. There's a helicopter.
I found this one close. I found this one close.
Oh, give me one.
Is it too flat?
No. See?
Whoa.
Here. You just have to practice. There's a bunch of rocks over here. So there it is. Yeah.